Morning guys, it's Saturday morning. We're just getting our routines all set up, ready for you today. But got a couple of kits to show you today that have just come in. This is from AFV Club. This is one I've been waiting for a long time. I love gun trucks, so this has been a really special one. This is from AFV Club. This is the King Cobra, which has got the M54 truck, but with the M113 on the back. I'm going to open this up in a minute and let you have a look at it. The other one that's come in is the M108. Yes, it has an Australian marking on it because Australians actually had some of these. They were loaned them in Vietnam. I think they had 8 or something like that. Also, we were one of the only ones to actually camouflage ours in Vietnam. End of the Vietnam War, we handed them back. It's only now in the last probably 12 months that Australia's now going to be buying a self-propelled howitzer. Not this version, but other versions. So, quite a nice kit. The reviews I've seen so far is quite good. Big choice of markings. But I think you'll be doing the Aussie one just for that something different in Australian armour. So that's all I've got to show you today. We've got a lot of stuff coming over the next week or so, or a couple of weeks. AK Interactive has just arrived in, so we've got plenty of restock of that. Plus there's a lot of new stuff, and there's some things I want to show you next week that I think will be a bit of a surprise for people. So look forward to next week. This is just a quick one. I'm just going to open this up, let you have a look at it. So talk to you in a second. As promised, I was going to open this one up to show you. This is quite a big box, so it's, as you can probably guess, there's a lot in it. A bit of information on the side of it, a couple of photos, all the usual bits and pieces, which is sort of going. Just a quick one, there are a lot of other markings available from a couple of brands we deal with that if you don't want to do this particular scheme, we can organise some other stuff. But, so let's have a look. In the box, you get instruction sheet. Fairly straightforward as usual with AFV Club. Just all your bits and pieces broken up in 2 sections, one for the truck, one for the M113. A few things I've read about lately. I came across a bit of an article that said that a lot of the interior of the M113 was stripped out, including the fuel tanks, but I can't actually find the article again, and I've spoken to a couple of other people and they can't seem to find it either. So it's up to you. If you close the hatches up, you're probably not going to see anything in it anyway, so it's up to you what you want to do with it. Comes with all the 50 cals, the extra shielded unit, decal sheet, only for King Cobra. But yeah, look, quite straightforward, all sorts of bits and pieces. So essentially you get an M113, you get all the parts to do the M113, there's even a couple of resin pieces in there, all the extras there. So there's a lot of sprues. That's the undercarriage for the truck, side parts for the truck, there's all sorts of bits and pieces. This is just their basic M54, so it just keeps going and going. Wheel sets, all the bits and pieces, side skirts, top deck, and decal sheet, and a bit of etched metal and a bit of rope. So it's quite a big kit. So when the money you're paying for it, you're essentially getting 2 kits. The only thing you don't get is part of the running gear and the track for the M113, obviously because it wasn't on there. So there's clear parts in there, so that's all in there. Extra weapons. What else we got in this one? This one's all M113 parts. So as I said, there's a little bit of resin there as well. So that's pretty cool. Again, if you've already done the M54, you pretty well know it. If you've done the M113, you pretty well know it. But it's just a combination of it. It's quite a full box, as I said. So you can have a lot of fun with it. There's some very good books out on the gun trucks. There's so many variations of this thing, it's not funny. So if you're looking for the different markings, come and talk to us or drop us a line, we'll see what we can find out for you. The interesting thing is this is not a green truck, it's black. The whole vehicle is black, so have fun painting that up. So anyway, you can do a lot of different variations of this thing. You can play around with it. There's others, I believe they might be doing other versions of this as well. Don't forget also, there's the earlier gun truck from AFV Club. This is based on the M35A1. It's got the 4-barrel anti-aircraft gun, which they used quite successfully there as well. Another gun truck, this is Nancy, so that's quite good. And to top it all off, if you want to complete the rest of your bit more of your Vietnam series, we have got back into stock the Australian Centurion Mark 5. So if you want to add that to it, go for it. So other than that today, have a good day. We'll catch up with you soon. I'll show you all this new stuff. Don't forget, as I said before, we've had a big shipment of AK come in, and we've added to that as well as the Apple tongue range with it as well. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Have fun.